All right, so we're here at Tapco, right?
This is Tapco. This is where we're gonna get out of the water.
Okay, and we're waiting on a shuttle driver to help us drive up to Sycamore Canyon?
Yep, and we're gonna be putting it in there. It'll take, you get to do it all in one day, but we're gonna do it in 2 days and just have some fun. Just camp out overnight on the water.
Heck yeah, all right. We're gonna wait for that shuttle driver to get here because he's gonna help us drive our stuff up the river, and then we'll see you when we get to the put-in.
I've been tasked with I'm looking forward to getting to our campsite for tonight.
What about you, Shep? You ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for Freddie.
How are you feeling after yesterday?
I'm much better. I had a good night's sleep last night.
Yeah, you did.
Because I just came
You're
back.
the first one out. Yeah.
Last night.
All right. So this is where we're going to be getting out of the boat here. We're going to be going up river, and this is Tapco. This is where we'll be getting out. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see a train up there. It's pretty neat. We're getting all of our kayaks staged. This is mine personally. I've got the cooler with all the meats for the night strapped in up here with a tow rope and a squirt gun, my extra paddle, a bungee, obviously water, binoculars. I've got my pack here strapped to the 2 dry bags underneath, which is carpet for myself because I hate getting dirty, my tent, things like that. Those are strapped to the boat strapped to that strapped to this. Straps are straps to straps, and everything is strapped. Just doing a last little pump up before we go. Bella, you ready?
What? I'm ready.
You ready? This is the beginning of our trip. Everything is strapped. A little too strapped in my opinion, but we are no such thing as too strapped. Here comes our first set of rapids right here. Boys and gals. Boys and gals. Here we go. Oh man. Crazy. Crazy. Whew, my butt's wet already. So now we're gonna wait for the rest of the guys. Let them come down the rapids. Remember the 2 people rule. Okay, here we go. We got this. We got a lot of gear, so we gotta be super careful. Pros only. Oh, here's some rocks. Rocks. Here we go. This is where you have to get out of the kayak and pull it, because there we go.
What they'll do is they'll wheel this cart out and the cable will drop in, and they'll actually check the depth of the water. And what they're doing is they're figuring out the actual area of the waterfall. And that's
Science. Spot on. Science.
And so the interpretation of the person doing the calculation can vary. So you can have one person that might say that's 150 CFS, another person might say it's 175, 200 CFS.
It's the way you measure things.
Here we go into the mouth of madness. Whew. It's all debris from past water levels up in the trees, leaves and stuff.
I don't know if that's possible. I'm gonna bring your kayak over there, okay?
If you're gonna do it. I'm filming.
Look what this dude is just doing. Oh God, you're gonna rip your jaw out, my guy. He's got. She's scared now. She's now scared.
I am scared. Why did you let me get up here?
You what? Perfect time for a fart. Here we go. All right. Woo! That's right. All right, look at all this stuff over here. You got the brush like way up in the trees. That's how high the river gets. All right, here we go. All right. Shooting through the trees. We got this, boys and girls, and other walks of life. Y'all, I should say, with the finger guns. Look at these boys. Super proud of these guys. Let me pick up the binoculars and make sure that I can. So I'm kind of just like checking a few spots out up here, scouting a little bit. see if there's any obstructions in the water or if there's any rapids or anything like that I need to warn the guys for. And so far it's looking pretty clear. We've got a spot a little bit down the canyon that I'm a little concerned about, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. I got these guys back here getting ready to go. Down this stretch over here. So basically, we're gonna be finding a camping spot out here, and we're gonna stay out here for the night. Oh shit! Look at this. Oh, here we go. Okay, wrong way. I went the wrong way. Here we go. Uh-oh, backwards, huh? I guess we're all going backwards, huh? It's okay. It's just a new perspective on life. Just make sure you're looking forwards. Jeez. Okay. Just around the river bend. Just around the river bend. And here we go again. I'm gonna lift that butt just to make sure that we're not getting caught on them rocks. Good job, Shep. Good job. Bam. All kinds of tree branches. All right, very good. So I'm gonna get it over here to the right. Here we go, here we go. All right, just past that stump right there, which is good kayaking skills. You guys are good. All right, it's pretty crazy. All right, get it. Oh, damn. All right, look at that nice little lagoon area over there. Heck yeah. I'm gonna leave you guys for a second. Right here. And the river's right on the opposite side of those weeds. And Mariano's got a shovel, so if we need to level any sand out. I kind of like this spot. What do you think? You think we should look for a new spot, or? Okay, yeah. Different spot? Yeah. All right. Now, we're gonna go to this new spot and set our stuff up so that way in the morning we'll be nice and refreshed. And I may not have brought a lot more stuff than I needed, but that's okay. Doesn't bother me. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is just the most amazing thing ever. All right, here we go. We got a pretty big stream. Pretty big stream going on right now. Blam. Here we go. Gotcha, wow. How biggie? Woo! That's right. That is what I'm talking about. Looks like faces. Those rock looks like straight up faces. That's cool. Face rock.
All right, how's everybody doing? Looks like we found a nice camping spot, huh?
I think we did.
Yes, we did. All right, very good. Is this where we're gonna be hunkering down for the night? Very good. It's okay, we can be naked. We're out here in the wilderness. If you're watching this video, you've probably gotten naked in the woods before. Chances are that's happened to you at least one time. So we found this really good spot. We're gonna get out. We got a canyon across. Nice swimming area. Oh yeah, we're getting it done. We're all getting hyped up because there's a train coming. There's a train coming. train.
Well, we all do it. You might as well fucking tear this horn.
Yeah, that's the tour. It's huge. Yeah, that's the tour. Hey! Hey! Yeah, baby! Hey!
Well, we're we're here. We're camping now. Mariano, how you feeling? Good. Feeling good, Bella. Mark over here.
You lick them clean.
Mark's making some. We got some. What is this? What are we making tonight, Chef Mark?
It is spaghetti and meatballs.
All right.
And we were asked how you wash your dishes. Well, you lick it clean.
How you feeling, Shepherd? What's going on?
Great.
You feeling good? Mm-hmm. What you got? What you munching on?
Oh, just the rest of my trail mix from yesterday.
Oh yes,
That's all.
yes. Shep's tent's over there. If you guys see that, he's all set up. I'm gonna show you guys our tent. It's a little dark. I couldn't really get too much when we were setting up because batteries. But this is my tent. Of course, you have the all natural blanket, or the carpet rather. And then there is my tent. Look at that. Nice air mattress. So here's Kenny's boat. We're doing MTV's Cribs right here. Look at that. That's a heater he's got going on right here in the back of the boat. If you look down here, he's got enough leg room for 2 people if you wanted to. And, you know, he's going to stay warm tonight. All right, we're all gathered around. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Great recovery.
Getting ready to eat some food. All right. Everybody having fun?
Yeah.
Just checking in with you guys to let you know I am making a steak. Look at that bad boy. This is how you do it. What you doing, bro?
My cocoon.
What are you doing?
My cocoon.
Oh, God. What even is this?
I'm chilling. I'm cuddling with this boat right now. Look at this. I got the
Turn your light
over.
off, bro. I can't see your face. How are you feeling, bro? You think you're gonna be all right tonight? Like you're gonna be warm enough?
Hold on. Where's the?
He's in a boat, by the way, guys. He's in a boat.
See that? See that?
See what?
Arizona doesn't get that cold. That says 0.
It goes. Oh, it's for 0. Oh. Okay. Well, good night, my bro.
Sometimes the biggest technical difficulties can turn out to be the simplest things. Anthony, do you have a micro USB port? Do you have a micro USB charger? That's all right. I'm not. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I'm at half. Just no, I can tell that it's getting low.
Yeah, this phone is like perfect.
What was that? 10? Oh, it's a Pixel 4. Isn't that one waterproof?
It's water resistant, but I don't like to try it.
No use in finding out.
I mean, I've gotten it wet before. Like when it's gotten really hot, I've dunked it for a second. And then it just says water
detected.
detected, yeah, don't plug in. And then eventually it'll go away.
I just realized I recorded retrieving my cup without my GoPro falling in the water. That was sketchy. I know, right? Yeah, I brought
that shitty one.
I brought the shitty mess kit with a hole in it, and we ended up needing a strainer. No, I think there's spaghetti sauce in that pot still. What? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Dang, I got you both.
It's like right past my nose.
That was supposed to go in the chair.
Okay, so you got me,
I'm sorry.
or me,
Oh, heron.
Anthony, and
Look at that heron.
that's cool. I saw a blue one.
That's him. That's it right there. Or maybe that one's a gray one. IDK.
Someone wants to take it, they can have it. Save it for the morning.
Hi.
Hullabaloo!
What does that mean?
Hullabaloo and how do you do? Kick him in the dishpan. Woo woo woo.
Okay.
Useless. Courage cowardly dog.
You are a nice person.
That's what we were saying.
We love you,
Literally what we were
Kenny.
saying. Yeah.
I'm bossy.
We were what? The fuck?
Oh, that's your brain making that.
Yeah, we definitely said none of those things.
No, we totally love you, Kenny.
We
You're the
we spent
best.
like 5 minutes saying how cool you are.
We're so glad you came on this trip with us.
Yeah. He just
We're
fucking
allowed
giggles.
to be concerned too, okay?
Yeah.
I mean, we do it redneck style. We just kind of, because this is our cooking butter. Nobody's using this butter other than for cooking. And it's really not that simple. It's not that hard, guys. If you ever cooked a sausage at home, it's the same as cooking it in the dirt. You know, you just gotta make sure not to get the dirt on it. We got the good old Vermont maple sausages over here. We're gonna take them.
Johnsonville, sponsor us.
Coming in close to Tapco plant on the final stretch of our trip. The sound is me scraping bottom. Oh shit, I was hoping that would get you off.